Okay, so the last lesson in our unit, Unit 1, is going to be simplifying algebraic expressions using multi-steps. So when we do this, we're always going to apply the distributive property first, and then we're going to combine like terms. So we're going to be taking the last two lessons, the combining like terms and distributive property, and we're going to be combining the two of them now. So we always want to do distributive property first. We're going to do a couple examples here together. 5 times d minus 5 times 3 plus 2d. So again, distributive property says we're going to take the outside number and multiply it by everything on the inside. And I'm going to bring my subtraction symbol down. So 5 times d is 5d, minus 5 times 3 is 15, plus 2d. I noticed that 5d and 2d both have the same variable with the same exponent. And so I'm going to add the two of them. 5d plus 2d is 7d. And then I'm just going to bring down the minus 15. 15 is a constant term. It doesn't have a variable, so it is not a like term with 7d. This is simplest form. This expression is now in simplest form, 7d minus 15. So let's do another one. 12 times 2w plus 12 times 4 minus 4w plus 1. I use the distributive property first, and now I'm going to do some multiplication. 12 times 2w is 24w. 12 times 4 is 48 minus 4w plus 1. So now I'm looking for like terms, and I see that 24w is a like term with minus 4w because they have the same variable and the same exponent. So 24 minus 4 is 20w. I also have 48, which is a constant, and 1 is a constant. They don't have a variable or exponent, so they are constant terms, and 48 plus 1 is 49. So I've got my final simplest form here is 20w plus 49. Let's do one more. 7 times n plus 7 times 9. Notice I'm applying the distributive property first. 7 times n, taking the outside number, multiplying it by everything on the inside, and I'm bringing my plus sign down. So 7 times n plus 7 times 9 minus n. So 7 times n is 7n. 7 times 9 is 63 minus n. If it helps, I always put a 1 in front of this n, because this is 1n. Anytime you multiply 1 by another number, it's still itself, so it doesn't change the value to put a 1 in front. So now I recognize 7n minus 1n. Those are like terms. They have the same variable, which is n, and the same exponent. So 7 minus 1 is 6n, plus 63 is my simplified form here. So I would challenge you to pause the video and try D, and then check your answer when you're done. Hopefully you've tried this one. Let's see if you got it right. I'm going to apply the distributive property first and multiply 8 by everything on the inside of parentheses. So 8 times 3r and 8 times 5t. And then I'm going to bring down minus r plus 2t. 8 times 3r is 24r. 8 times 5 is 40t. And then minus 1r plus 2t. I'm looking for my like terms. I've got 24r minus 1r is 23r, and 40t plus 2t is 42t. So my simplest form here is 23r plus 42t. So if you did that one and you got it correct, well done. If you didn't get that answer correct when you tried it on your own, make sure that you fix it right now.